Hello guys, today I've got the NAVEE GT3 Max and I'm going to show you how to update the firmware via application. So, as you can see, here I've got the application and its name is NAVEE, and here you need to tap Learn More here. Tap Check Firmware Update and tap here Upgrade Now. That's it. As you can see, you need to just be connected to your scooter, and the only thing that is important also is that you need to have this scooter charged sufficiently. I think the recommended value can be 50-60%, and of course you can plug it into the power before it and just leave it plugged in. Now we need to just wait a moment. Let's see afterwards. It took me actually some time, but now we are here. We can tap confirm. And now we have our firmware updated, and we have every single feature that is here unlocked. That's it. Goodbye.